Hi, this is Noelle with Noello Designs, and today I'm going to talk about replacing a zipper. You can save and upcycle all kinds of things if you can replace the zipper. A couple of tips before you get started. When you go to the store or order online, you're going to want to have the details of the current zipper available. How long the zipper is, what weight it is it made out of metal, is it made out of plastic? If you're replacing the zipper on a pair of pants or a pair of jeans, you definitely want to have the right length of zipper. It's going to make all the difference when you're putting it in, if it fits or if you have to try and hide some of the extra zipper. It's going to be a big pain. If you're replacing the zipper in a jacket, you probably want a separating zipper, which means at the end it completely comes apart. Invisible zipper on the back of a dress, a dual zipper that can unzip from the bottom and from the top. The cool thing about replacing a zipper on an existing garment is that as you take the old zipper out, you will see the fabric has been basically trained to stay in that exact spot. And so, you carefully take the other zipper out, and then there's kind of a roadmap of needle holes and folds to follow in order to put the new zipper in. It should be a fairly easy fix job. The jacket that I am fixing is one that I've had for, a long time. It's worth it to me to make this jacket usable again. I love a puffy coat. In my case, there's probably going to be feathers all over the place, but let's give this a try.